Is your committee, or are you familiar with the process of renunciation of Guatemalan citizens under Guatemalan law?
We have seen an interpretation.
What is it?
It speaks to a process where you submit your documents to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Guatemala.
That is the Guatemalan national?
Yes.
Right.
And they would, it didn't specify what they would issue, but one would assume from the way it's written, and as I said, this was not an official translation that we saw, so I have no way of knowing that this is officially what is there. You would then get some sort of a certificate, a paper, something from them.
Right.
I'm not sure what is.
You are aware, I'll come back to Guatemala specifically, but generally speaking, there are quite a number of countries in the world where a citizen cannot announce that he or she is no longer a citizen of their country. An official process has to be completed for that to be done. And I want to suggest to you that Guatemala is one. The same process that you referred to, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in Guatemala has to be notified by the citizen of his or her renunciation, and they have to acknowledge the renunciation for that to be effective.
That is correct.
That is correct. What steps are taken by the Nationality Committee to ascertain that that process is completed by a Guatemalan person applying for Belizean nationality?
The committee in January had raised concerns about the process. We received, I think in March, interpretation of the government's position from the Attorney General, which is what guides the work that we do. And that opinion that was given to us indicated that the government of Belize has an arrangement with Guatemala where the documents are provided to them, and in the absence of Guatemala, any response from Guatemala to indicate that that process is not correct, then it is deemed to be correct, and the procedure is carried out. So we have a directive from the Attorney General by which we function.
I just want to be clear from you. The committee, prior to that letter, took no step to ensure that the legal process in Guatemala was completed for renunciation to be effective in Guatemala for a person who applied for Belizean nationality.
That's correct.